Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is PrimeWeld TIG 225X. The PrimeWeld TIG 225R is an excellent choice, ideal for light industrial manufacturing and construction applications, maintenance services, and repairs. The unit has a dual voltage of 220 volts or 110 volts and a power output of 200 amps. It makes it the most reliable option to cut through tough materials with ease. It can weld steel and stainless steel ranging from 22 gauge to 1/4 inch thick. It features a design with a transistor. The unit produces dependable performance in a small package. But the biggest selling point of this welder is its high duty cycle. The TIG Welder has upgraded features. It protects against surge control, arc blow control, and overheat protection. It delivers excellent performance in all welding conditions, from home to industrial settings. Advanced inverter technology with PWM using IGBT technology. Our second best TIG welder is YesWelder TIG 205DS. If you're just starting out with TIG welding, you'll love the YesWelder TIG 205DS welder. Compact yet powerful enough to carry our tough projects, the TIG 205DS is every DIYer's favorite. And at under 15 pounds, this unit is incredibly portable. While it can work on a range of metals, it's worth noting that it can't weld aluminum as it doesn't have an AC module. However, it's capable of welding thin sheets of steel, chrome, and cast iron with a metal thickness of 0.3 to 5.0 millimeters, thanks to its 205 amps. Plus, it has an outstanding duty cycle of 60%, which ensures long-time welding. Excellent high-frequency TIG start ensures no failures on ignition with superior arc characteristics for smooth and stable performance, non-contact arc initiation. Integrates advanced IGBT inverter technology, allowing excellent arc stability and the most beautiful welds, whether the material is stainless steel, alloy steel, low carbon steel, copper, iron, etc. Third pick in our list is S7 TIG Welder. If you're looking for an affordable TIG welder with impressive power and features, the S7 TIG Welder is an excellent choice. This low-cost unit offers a surprisingly good feature set. It's a dual-voltage high-performance machine with a handy HF start, capable of welding steel, copper, cast iron, and other non-ferrous metals. Additionally, it offers an outstanding duty cycle of 85%, which ensures long-time welding. Plus, it can go up to 200 amps, something that only high-priced machines achieve, and work with a wide range of welding jobs. And at just 22 pounds, the machine is portable and easy to move around and store. However, it lacks AC, which means it can't weld aluminum. TIG welding thicknesses of 0.3 to 4.8 millimeters are available for stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron, and chrome. 15 to 42 millimeters ARC welding thickness. It is easier to use and more convenient to carry thanks to the removable handle. Suitable for welding with copper, copper alloy, stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, and other non-ferrous metals. Number 4 on our side is WeldPro Digital TIG 200 GD. The WeldPro Digital TIG 200 GD is another excellent option for those looking for a versatile yet powerful TIG welder. This unit goes beyond welding steel and aluminum. It also offers stick welding. Ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and small fabricators, the TIG 200 GD comes with a 200A rating. It can work with both 240 volts and 110 volt supply as per your requirements. WeldPro Digital TIG Welder is a 120 volts and 240 volts machine. It welds aluminum, stainless steel, and mild steel. The welding machine includes advanced features such as very high starting amperage of 200A. Excellent professional design rocker style foot pedal without annoying intermediate amperage control. This unit uses state-of-the-art technology to achieve precision welding. It can achieve welding speeds of 0.5 millimeter per second with less than 1% error, making it ideal for industrial applications as well as in home workshops. Excellently professional design, without the bothersome intermediate amperage control. Additionally, the flex head number 17F torch with a separate trigger switch and the optional CK Worldwide Superflex cable are now available. Number 5 in our top 5 best TIG welder list is Thulium 135A stick welder. Although it is simple to use, this Thulium 200A high-frequency TIG welder includes cutting-edge features. Equipment that can perform both stick welding and DC TIG welding is surprisingly versatile. The automation and digital display are exceptionally user-friendly. To fine-tune the performance of the device to suit your preferences, you can use the machine's presets or make adjustments. In either case, you'll obtain seamless, accurate welding that has the strength to handle a variety of jobs. Advanced IGBT inverter technology, excellent arc stability, 15 to 200 amps, very suitable for both thin and thick workpiece. It's not only for hobbyists but just right for professional work. Capability for DC welding and stick welding but can't weld aluminum. It makes the time between tungsten sharpening longer. The friendly user interface makes machine setup easy. Let's hobbyists, makers, small fabricators and craftsmen explore their creativity. For details, let's watch more.
Introducing the high-frequency start TIG Welder TL200T from Thulium. With a simple knob and button control that runs DC TIG welding and stick welding to boot with this unparalleled versatility. This TIG welder features non-contact arc initiation that ensures a much better welding result and reduces tungsten and material consumption. With the high duty cycle, this machine is built to run stronger and longer on every project. All to get you started welding in no time at all. For the professional grade and welding versatility, trust the TL200T from Thulium.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.